Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Indira Dewi Sajida, class 9 of MTS 40 Sarongge. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make Dalgona coffee. The ingredients you need are 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water, and 250 milliliters of milk. Pour 2 spoons of instant coffee, 2 spoons of sugar, and 2 spoons of hot water into a bowl. Then mixer, whisk until thick and creamy. If you don't have an electric mixer, you can use a whisk. Pour and milk. Top with whipped coffee.